are you? Like you are, I think, in front of coconut trees or in field.
Yeah, yeah, I belong to village area. Yeah, it is field area. It is near my house. Yeah, you can see there is behind me there is this picture.
I know that about your behind scenes. Okay, so it's a good
Yeah,
environment where you live.
yeah, it is total field area. You can see behind me. It is lady's finger. The tree is lady's
Oh,
finger. Yeah,
okay, that's great. That's great. Let me change my. Yeah, is it okay?
yes, I know. Okay,
Okay, so shall we start?
yes, I have started recording.
Okay, yeah. So
Good
how?
afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, Shantanu. How are you doing?
Yeah, I am doing very well. Thank you for asking. And how have you been?
Yeah, I'm been also great. So tell me something about you. We start with our intro.
Yes, yes, definitely. Why not? First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Shantanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal, and by profession, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. And in this time, I want to become a good English speaker. This is my goal. That's why I am using this platform. And apart from that, I'm running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction. And ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, so Shantanu, my name is Varsha, and I'm basically from Himachal Pradesh, but currently living in Chandigarh with my family. So I'm a homemaker, and simultaneously I'm running a YouTube channel as well, and I'm teaching online, offline as well because of this English. So it is going great.
Okay. And how is the channel going on?
Yeah, it's going good, but I didn't upload a video since 1 year. So now I've started uploading the videos, and it's going great. When there is a consistency, so definitely it works.
Okay. And what is the reason why didn't upload the video?
Yeah, there were so many reasons uh, where I was not able to upload the videos. Uh, it's going great now.
Okay. And ma'am, now right now also you are teaching online or offline?
Both.
Okay. And and do you teach English subject or only for spoken English?
Like online spoken English and grammar as well because the students they are school going students, and offline all the subjects.
Okay. And you teach English grammar.
Yeah, English grammar and English spoken as well. Both are important for
Ma'am,
students.
yes, yes. And what do you think? Is English grammar important only for speaking English?
For speaking English, it is not that much important. It is important like you should know while you are speaking that the sentence structure should be clear or correct. But apart from that, English grammar is vast. So I don't think so that you have to need learn all the grammar. But yeah, for giving competitive exam, for that reason, grammar is essential for all of us who are like giving the exams, competitive exams.
Yes, yes. You are. Yeah, I totally agree with you. Actually, I observed that if without learning English grammar, when you speak English, at that time you make few mistakes while speaking English. And after learning English grammar, when you speak English, at that time you speak English correctly and perfectly.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. And you know, the thing is that when we are learning English for speaking, so I don't think so that we have to focus more over there, like on grammar, because there are lots of like examples in front of us that we don't know Hindi grammar as well, but we are able to speak Hindi. And you are from West Bengal, and you are not able to like understand Bengali grammar, but you are able to speak grammar. Bengali. So this is the thing. While we are speaking, so I don't think so. We are focusing more focus on grammars. That's why we are not able to speak. If we practice every day, so definitely consistency plays a vital role while we are speaking every day. While we are practicing every day. So speaking is must, not grammar. So the most of the people they know the grammar, but they don't know how to use that grammar while speaking. So what does it mean?
Yes, yes, you're right. Yeah, in my point of view, you are telling me you didn't learn the grammar of our native language. Yeah, you didn't learn the grammar of your native language. But why? Because there is a good environment of your native language. Everyone speak Hindi language over there. That's why it is not needed. Yeah, the grammar of your native language. In my locality, Bengali is my mother tongue. I know very well Bengali language, but I learned the Bengali language without learning the grammar of our native language. But what is the reason? Because there is a good environment of our native language. But
Yeah,
in my locality, there is a no good English environment. That's why, in my point of view, basic English grammar is important.
that's important. But the Shantanu, the main thing is that I think English speaking is easy as compared to other language because
Yes,
we are from India. I don't know Bengali. Okay, I'm not able to speak Bengali, but we don't know India. English is not an Indian language, but we are able to speak most of the words in English. Even though if the people is not able to read, write anything in English, but they are able to speak in English. Okay, the words, and they don't know the Hindi word as well. So this is the thing in
yes,
their
yes,
native language. So at that point of view, like English is easy, we know most of the words and we have to know how to use these words in our conversation, so that is important. Instead of learning
yes, you are
total
right.
grammar, it will confuse us.
Yes, yes, you're right. And ma'am, right now also you are teaching, and as well as also you are running a YouTube channel, and you are also practicing. And every single day, how many sessions do you take?
Like I have started, at least now I have started on team for conversational videos, but before that I was practicing on episode, and at least 4 to 5 people I practice every day over there, and it is going great. And half an hour I'm practicing there with foreigners, so that is amazing.
Okay, okay, okay. And what do you think? What is the difference between audio practice and video practice? And right now also you are talking with me with video call, and when I noticed that many learner who are also practicing with audio call. And what is the difference? What do you think?
I think if you want to practice English, whatever you want to practice, and there is an opportunity in front of camera, so you should choose video call, because video call is important. You can see your face, you can see your expressions, and in this way you can boost up your confidence as well, that how you are speaking, all the things. So it is important that video call. I prefer video call instead of
Yes, yes.
audio.
Yes, actually, I observed that when I talk with another person video call, and at that time eye contact, body language, yeah, both are very important. I noticed that. But yeah, I get up early in the morning around 4:30 a.m. and every single day I go for morning walk. At that time, while walking, I use another application which name is CB application, and using that application, I connect with another person with audio call. At that time, also I practice, but at that time also I change my voice, I change my action, yeah, at the time, because they cannot watch me, yeah, that's why I change my voice.
So you can do one thing, you can upload episode and app, and in the morning, definitely most of the people there will be from out of our country. You can meet them, and you can talk with them as well, because in the morning, early morning, you can join them, and it will help you. But there will be a video call, and you have to sit
Yes,
at one place.
yes, yes, you're right. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. How long have you been learning this language? I mean English language.
Couple of years ago, I have started learning this language, and you know the best thing. every day I'm learning something new, and apart from that, I have learned and I'm earning from this language, and it changed my life. English changed
Okay.
my life.
Yes, yes. And what kind of benefit are you getting right now?
Sorry.
What kind of benefit you are getting after learning this language?
The first benefit was that when I was learning this language, and I joined an at a company where I was learning, and I was a counselor there. I got my first job,
Okay.
online job there, and I was earning at least 20K. That was my starting point. And you know about this language, like I was learning, and the one thing was there, like my trainer was always tell me that, okay, there is one mistake that I always do. That was at the time I always did, that was call to. Okay, whenever I counsel the people, and after that I always tell that I always told them, okay, I'll call to you. So my trainer, she always told me at the time, she, like, not call to, because there wasn't a fixed preposition. After call, you can't use to. But I was accustomed to speak like that. And end of the day, she told me that, okay, you can speak whatever you want to speak, because you are not learning that thing. And like, at that moment I was not into English. I didn't know how to
Yes,
speak. So I didn't grammar and all the things, and the wrong English was there. Now we know lots of things, that okay, fixed preposition is there, the phrasal verbs, idioms, how we can speak that. At the time I didn't know. I know the noun, pronoun, but I didn't know how to use noun. The first question was like, I was asking my trainer, where we use noun. So that trainer said that everywhere we use noun, na? So now I understood, okay, what was the silly question I was asking. So that was my position, but now I'm confident while I'm speaking. At least I know all the things. But yeah, it takes time to speak. It asks or about our consistency, hard work, and motivation should be there. And the best thing is that manifestation. Nowadays I'm working on manifestation as well. Then when we'll speak about positivity, so things will happen.
yes, yes. Yeah, I noticed that one boy who name is Joduk is good. Right now he is viral boy. And after learning this language, yes, he is earning so much money from YouTube channel. And on the other hand, Notun ma'am, do you know Notun ma'am? And right now after learning this language, they got a job in a school. Yeah, and on the other hand, I get one person who right now he is doing a job in Dubai, and he told me, bro, I came here only for cooking. Yeah, at that time I was cooking in this company, but right now after learning this language, I got a promotion. Right now I am working as a cashier. Yeah, after learning this language.
Yeah, like I'm also, as I told you, that this language gave me so many things. One day I was learner. Now I'm teaching as well. My YouTube channel is going there because of this language, and I learned consistency because of YouTube channel. Every day I have to upload video over there, and these are the things. Now I'm learning and earning both from English. Even though my subject was different, but I'm working on English, and like we are connecting to each other all over the world because of this language. So it is an excellent language for learning.
Yeah, yeah. And ma'am, you are also teaching few students offline teaching. And do you upload those kind of video? I mean, when you are teaching at your coaching center at that time?
I'm teaching at home, so I didn't ask them about uploading the videos. I'm not recording the sessions over there. They are school going students, and sometimes parents are not confident that okay, you have to upload, you can upload videos on your YouTube channel. So I don't do these kinds of things. Yeah, I upload episodes videos sometimes on my YouTube channel, but there is no sound.
Yeah.
So I appreciate the people, and I was I want to tell them that okay, there is an a different platform that we can converse with foreigners, and yeah, it's great.
Okay. And ma'am, right now you are living in Chandigarh.
Yeah, I'm living in Chandigarh and I'm living at my home. That was my
And how is the
manifestation.
weather over there?
Yeah, it is not scorchy. I would say that scorchy hot, because every day there is a thunderstorm, and after that a little. But in June, definitely it will be a like boiling hot will be there.
Okay. Yeah, in West Bengal, the summer season is going on. It is too hot right now. Yeah, I am on right now. Also, I am on the field area. It is too hot. Sun is shining above my head very brightly. But wind is blowing. Yeah, wind is blowing. That's why also I am making this video in
Yeah,
this place.
that's true. That's true, Shantanu. Because nowadays, what is happening that the climate totally changed. Then the May, June, there is like a summer season, full summer season is there, but nowadays the rain is happening every day. So yeah, it's changed.
Yeah, yeah. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. And before closing the Skype application, every single day I used to make this kind of video, 4 or 5 videos. But nowadays I have to face a lot of problem for making this kind of video for collecting the co-learner person. But nowadays, what kind of problem are you facing for making this kind of video?
I'm not creating these kinds of videos because after stopping the Skype, I didn't upload the videos, conversational videos. It was
Okay.
also a disaster for me as well. And simultaneously, I was not able to search the platform where I can record the videos. The people, those people had that time laptop. They was able to record the sessions on Zoom, and they were able to
No.
upload the videos. But apart from that, the people have these kinds of Android phone, they were not able to use it, upload the videos. So
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I was uploading the solo videos and these kinds of videos. Sometimes I thought that okay, I uh, tell them grammar as well, but there are um, lots of trainers are there who are teaching grammar and all the stuff. So I don't think so that I have upload these kinds of videos. So I upload motivational videos there. That okay, every day you have to be consistent. You have to learn something, and you have to
Yes, yes.
motivated your self every day that okay, one day I'll be able to speak properly. But you have to start, you have to take first step towards your English. It will happen. And every day you have to motivate like okay, I'm speaking good English. English is not a rocket science, I can speak. Making mistakes are normal. Okay, so these kinds
Yes.
of things that we can do ourselves, and one day definitely we'll able to speak.
Yes, yes, you are right. Yeah, that's why also nowadays I watch so many channels. They are always making the blog video or slow video. They are not making the conversation video. Yeah, I
Because
observed
people
that.
are not there, na? People are not there, and they don't know
Yes,
how
yes,
to record the videos. That is a big problem. So I think you have to make a video, solo video, that how people can use GeoMeet for recording themselves, for recording their conversational videos, and you can send on a team app as well, that people will know how to use it. Because there is a everyone is not like you, that they will search, they will find the platform that how we can record ourselves. And nowadays some people, they are I think recording themselves on team app as well, or GeoMeet, or these kinds of apps. So you can do this thing, like make a video around this, how they can record the sessions. So hope so people will join again, like Skype.
yes, yes, definitely. Yes, I am waiting for you. I am waiting for them. Yeah, who at that time I connect with them. All right, ma'am. It was a nice conversation with you, and thank you for giving me valuable time. And I have learned so many things by connecting with you. All right, ma'am. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Bye bye, take care. Bye, Shantanu.